change the oil on my mom's car, so come check it out.
Check it out, come on.
Step 1, pop the hood.
Did we get it?
Step 2, open the hatch. Step 3, locate and remove the oil cap. Step 4, locate and remove the dipstick. Step 5.
You take your schwaben, which is our fluid extractor of choice here at Riker's Universe, and you're going to take the line here and you're going to insert it where your dipstick was located. Make sure the line goes all the way to the end into the oil pan, and then we begin the pumping process. Good, more pumps. It's coming out. It's coming out. Keep pumping. Pump some more.
Step 6. Locate and remove all the oil filter. Then replace with new oil filter. Okay, so I'm going to have this ratchet and I'll loosen.
You got it. You're doing good. You gotta get the rest of the way. I got the rest of the way.
Okay.
Cut it.
Replacing the oil filter. Step 7, put fresh oil in the engine.
Thank you guys for joining us today for this video on how to change the oil in a 2015 Audi Q7. This is my boy Riker.
And thank you for watching Riker's Universe videos, and like and subscribe.
Bye.